I'm Hendo, and today I'm making a cocktail of heroism based on the potion from Dungeons & Dragons. Every month I make a different prop and cocktail based on a different potion from D&D, and this is my 7th one. We're using vodka as a base, and we'll make one that's both neat and slushy. I'm going to cover the lore behind this potion along with the ingredients and the recipe. So let's roll! The Potion of Heroism is a blue rare potion that gives you 10 temporary hit points for an hour, along with the effects of the Bless spell. This means you get to add a 1d4 to any attack roll or saving throw, and of course since it's a potion, it negates concentration. Temporary hit points are basically extra health on top of your regular hit points. They're the ones that go first, but you can't recover them by healing. So they're basically just a little extra buffer. Kind of the same as in Mario Kart when you have the green shells or the bananas, basically just there to absorb any damage. Temporary hit points usually last until they're depleted or you take a long rest, but in this potion's case, they just last for an hour. So it's definitely better to use before you're gonna go into battle. But still, it's a pretty dope potion because the Bless spell is amazing and it usually requires a caster to concentrate, so this gives you that bonus effect while also letting your caster do something more amazing. I think it's really fun to roleplay these types of potions, so I'd come up with some cool one-liners for when you charge into battle or when your attacker misses you. And with this blue potion in mind, let's get drinking. These are our ingredients. Since our recipe is pretty simple this time around, I'm gonna go ahead and throw in some fun facts. First up is vodka, and I'm gonna go ahead and use Sky. Its founder, Maurice Canbar, was actually like a genius or something. He invented a bunch of stuff, had a super high IQ, and he actually created Sky because he was looking for the perfect martini, which is some pretty high-level wizard stuff. And also, Sky is a big supporter of LGBTQ rights, so that's an extra bonus. We're also using Lychee Liqueur. Lychee or lychee is a spiky little tropical fruit. And it always reminds me of Avatar because Aang mentions lychee nuts pretty often. In the show they call it a nut, but the references they make to it make it pretty clear that it's talking about the berry, so I think that's really cool. And this cocktail is gonna be blue, which is perfect for Aang. This is low-key just an Aang cocktail. He's the ultimate hero, and if you don't know what I'm talking about, please stop watching this video and go watch Avatar. I promise, it's literally the best thing ever. I'm also like absurdly excited to use this violet liqueur. It's also called crème de violette, but I'm not really that fancy, so I'm just gonna call it violet liqueur. But it's floral and it's sweet and it's actually violet in color. Also, fun fact about violets, they have a really, really pretty smell, but that smell is actually very fleeting because it has a chemical that desensitizes your nose to smell temporarily. Like literally, you can usually only smell it once and then the smell goes away. Chemistry. Our Potion of Heroism is mostly gonna get its blue color from the blue curacao. To my knowledge, we aren't actually really sure who developed the liqueur or when, because surprise, Curaçao is like a little Caribbean island that had a native population, so of course colonizers came in and took that over and then just like yoinked all of the spices and exports and stuff. But anyway, sorry for the tangent about Curaçao. It's an artificially colored liqueur made from Lahara peels, which is a very bitter orange native to the island. I'm not super sure how I'm gonna garnish this yet, but I'm probably just gonna use an orange peel and some mint leaves and do whatever feels nice. So let's get making. This recipe is easy mode. I'm gonna do both a neat version and a slushy version. The neat version because the color is just so pretty, but a slushy version because it's really hot. And also the drink is pretty strong, so it kind of helps dilute the flavor a tiny bit. So all of the ingredients can just go in together. First, I'm going with 6 ounces of Sky vodka. Then 3 ounces of Lychee Liqueur. 2 ounces of violet liqueur, and 2 ounces of blue curacao. And a good old shake. The color is so cool. So now I'm going to split part of this into my neat cocktail, and then the other part I'm just going to add with some ice and throw it in a blender. Don't know how much ice to add. I just want it to be a slushy. It is gonna dilute the flavor some, so just, I don't know, just yeet as much ice as you want in there. The color! Okay, so the amount of ice does kind of matter. So probably it should be more like maybe like a 2-to-1 ratio of like ice to cocktail. make a cute little garnish. I think I'm just gonna like make some sort of shape with the peel and put that on the rim. How about a gold star? I feel like that's the heroes get a gold star. That's like not bad. Right? I mean, well, it's fine. Let's go ahead and put some mint in it too. That is tasty. It's both like floral and sweet. It's pretty good. It's very strong though. Let's try the slushy one. Yep. Mm-hmm. Hell yeah. I don't know if that kind of looks like super tropical, but I think it's really cute. So this is our cocktail of heroism. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you get to enjoy this cocktail with your friends online or just chilling at home. Or with friends if you're in another country that has it more together. I want to give special thanks to Yasir who recommended this recipe when on stream I was lamenting that I'm really tired of lemon juice being in everything. This cocktail was really awesome, so thank you for sharing your infinite bartending wisdom with me. You can also check out my prop Potion of Heroism if you're looking for a fun crafty build. Next month I'm doing the Potion of Invulnerability, so shout out to Lucas for recommending that in the comments. It's gonna be like all silver. And if you have other ideas for potions you want to see, just let me know. Anyway, until next time, I'm Hendo. Thank you so much for watching and D&D drinking with me.